Well, it sure is nice to have matching DVTs hand painted in claret. One of them I took to bits totally, painted it. The other one I was just more careful, painted it with everything attached. Okay, look better. It's fun, this, backwards and forwards. This is how I used to run the trains before I started videoing. 2 up tracks and 1 down track. Or 2 up lines and 1 down line, whichever the way you want to call it. This way you more or less have continuous running in front of the camera. Which I think has more enjoyment. Than forever going round and round and round in circles. Of course you've got to be careful. Flick the points and you'll end up with a crash. So I quite enjoy these. Fixing, doing, hand painting them. But as you will see, that one has foggy windows. And the other one doesn't. That's the one I painted, hand painted, complete. And the other one was the one I took to pieces. What a nightmare. But the best part is that both messengers, but that one, Queen's Messenger 67 005, I think it is. The other one was also the Queen's Messenger, but has now been relabelled with new names and new running numbers. But hard to focus. So they're both messengers really, it's just that one's been renamed and renumbered. Identical logos, identical DVTs. good. I can have them running all day, like that. And the two outer lines, put something else in the middle rail if I want.